Next, we're gonna put onion right on top. Next, we have a couple of lemons that we've sliced up, and we're gonna lay that on top as well. And lastly, we're gonna put a couple big pieces of butter. This is about 4 tablespoons. That's gonna melt it and make it buttery and delicious. Next, we're gonna fold the foil over, and we're going to make a little foil boat, just like that. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we're going to check the middle. And if it's flaky with a fork, then we know it's done. So we'll put that in and let's get started on our dill sauce. Okay, next we're going to mix up our dill sauce. So first, we're going to put in a 1/3 cup of sour cream. And I have the exact directions and ingredients in the description of the video. A 1/3 cup of mayo. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of horseradish. About a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. And we have about a teaspoon of finely chopped fresh dill. We're going to mix that in. Now we're going to mix that up until it's smooth and then set that aside and wait for our salmon. Okay, as you can see in here, it's super hot, so be careful when you open this up. It smells amazing. So in order to see if this is done, we're going to take a fork, and if it flakes in the middle, just like that, it is done. So we're going to plate this up and give it a try. Okay, we got Trevor and Riley going to try out the salmon with the dill sauce. So make sure you dip it in that dill sauce. It's really good. It's a little tangy, similar to tartar sauce.
Good.
Yeah? How do you like the sauce?
It's really good.
Did you try it yet, Riley?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Awesome. All right. Thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a like if you like this video. Bye everyone.